Hello everyone and welcome to another Feed Army video. Are you trying to delete a product from Google Merchant Center when you've manually added the product? Then this video is for you. So if we have a look at the account itself, we go to products, then we go and click on our product, and then we go and scroll a little bit lower to the right hand side, and here you will see delete product. It used to be that you could delete a product here. When you click on the checkbox, then there would be a bin icon or even a bin icon here. That is no longer available. So now you have to physically click on the product, go to the product itself and then delete it. Yes, this is annoying, but that is why manually adding products is not really recommended. If you want to add products periodically, then I recommend you use a Google Sheet. That is much more easy to manage and you can add attributes a lot easier. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.